You just saw me eat, drink, and brush my teeth in 4 seconds. I don't know the relevance to this video. That was yesterday, as you can see from my change in clothes. Today I'm gonna talk about the applications of chemistry in our lives, especially in home, school, and community. To start with, let me define chemistry real quick. So, chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the identification of the substances of which matter is composed. Obviously, chemistry has helped us in many ways. It is an undeniable fact that chemistry's application ranges from medicine and health sciences, transportation, culinary, space exploration, research and development, and a whole bunch of things I can't think of right now. That was so dumb. Chemistry is used in many aspects of our life. One of these is in our homes. Our understanding of germs has given us the necessity of having closed toilets, which prevents the death of millions because of cholera, E. coli, typhoid, dysentery, and diarrhea. These waterborne bacteria thrive on poor sanitation, which wasn't seen as important hundreds of years before. Disinfection is also proven effective of killing viruses and bacteria, as we have experienced in the past 1.5 years. Cooking is also a major application of chemistry. It uses fuel and natural gas to heat things. Chemistry is very evident in baking. It uses sodium bicarbonate, or commonly known as baking soda, as leavening agent. The formation of carbon dioxide when baking soda is mixed to food items causes it to rise. This whole process of the rising of baked goods is called chemical leavening. We can also use yeast and baking powder as leavening agent to baked goods. Saponification is also a process of chemistry. The cleaning action of soap is based on its ability to act as an emulsifying agent. Soap interacts with grease or oil molecules, which in turn create cleaner surface. The act of preserving foods is a very good example of chemistry. Preservatives like sodium benzoate, sorbic acid, potassium sorbate, calcium sorbate, sodium ascorbate, and salts preserves food and prevent it from spoiling. Have you ever wondered why you shed tears when you slice an onion? This happens because of the underlying chemistry concepts. As soon as we slice an onion, sulfenic acid is formed from amino acid sulfoxides. Sulfenic acid is responsible for the volatile gas named propanethiol S oxide, which stimulates the production of tears in the eyes. Wearing sunscreen on a sunny day has a chemistry background. Sunscreen uses a combination of organic and inorganic compounds to act as filters for ultraviolet rays. Our use of ballpens and papers have chemistry concepts in it too. Ballpens have color pigments or dyes which are suspended in a solvent of oil. As we all know, paper comes from trees. The debark logs, the process of removing barks, go into chippers to make them into small pieces before undergoing a process called chemical pulping. It breaks down the chemical called lignin, and the result is pulp. This pulp is like a thicker version of paper. Paper is more refined in a sense that it is bleached and has undergone several chemical processes. The LED screens in our smartphones, laptops, computers, televisions have chemistry concepts in its background as well. In our communities, chemistry is used in a very wide and complex application. First of all, electricity that comes from non-renewable sources like nuclear, coal, fossil fuel or natural gas, or renewable sources like solar, wind, hydro, and thermal powers homes in a large scale, industrial processes, and chemical buildings. One of the biggest contribution of chemistry is in medicine and health sciences. It allowed the development of many vaccines and medicines that help cure diseases and illnesses among different generations and ages. Without these improvements in these fields, we couldn't have saved this much number of lives. Transportation and infrastructure have both benefited from chemistry. The search for cheaper yet more durable and stronger materials has led to the development of new products and inventions on the market. The last of my examples is space exploration that uses both non-renewable and renewable sources to eject its spacecraft into space, like what Jeff Bezos did on his
Got that big rocket launcher.
rocket. Now I'm gonna show you a simple experiment real quick. I have here the brewed glutarate
This
flour.
acts as a pH indicator.
I've also refrigerated it, and I'm gonna add calamansi juice. Now notice the color of this is blue, but in the camera it looks like black, but it's blue. And when I add calamansi juice, look at this. It turns into what now? It's like, what color is this?
Violet!
So here it is. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for watching. And let's drink some blue tarnate tea / lemonade. It has ice too. It's not black, it's blue. It has ice too.